Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we break down everyday tech and shopping hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use a Lululemon gift card online in 2025. Whether you got one as a gift or you're treating yourself, using it online is straightforward and secure. By the end of this video, you'll be shopping for that perfect yoga gear or activewear in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Lululemon gift card handy. It should have a unique code on it, usually a 16-digit number. Start by heading to the official Lululemon website at lululemon.com. This is crucial because using third-party sites could lead to issues, so stick to the source for 2025's updated security features. Once you're on the site, log into your Lululemon account if you have one. If not, you can check out as a guest, but creating an account might save your preferences for future shopping. Now, browse through their awesome selection of products. Add the items you want to your cart, just like any online shopping experience. Don't forget to check for any ongoing sales or new 2025 collections to maximize your gift card's value. When you're ready to check out, click on your card icon and proceed to the payment page. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the gift card or promotions section. Enter your gift card code carefully, and if prompted, add the PIN if your card has one. The system will automatically deduct the gift card balance from your total. If your purchase is more than the card's value, you'll need to add another payment method like a credit card. Double-check everything to avoid any surprises. Lululemon's 2025 updates include better error messages for invalid codes. Once confirmed, hit that Place Order button, and you're all set. You'll get a confirmation email shortly. A quick tip. Before shopping, check your gift card balance on the Lululemon website under the gift card section to ensure it has funds. And if you run into any issues, their customer support is top-notch in 2025 with 24/7 chat options. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay active and see you in the next video.